Alright guys, I am doing a quick little video because I just got the most amazing thing. For those of you that are close to me and know me really well, you know that my one true love is...
Ninja Turtles.
Yes.
They're the world's most fearsome fighting team.
We're really hip.
Over Christmas break? Was it Christmas break? Yeah. My friend Amanda Yates, you might remember her from something else she did in our house. It's right over there. And I did a video for her last year when she built that amazing desk. She made a pop larger than life thing holder for her husband Matt, which you may remember from the videos I did for Bearded Bartender. But she made it like Spiderman I cannot think of words today. She made it Spiderman themed because he has a lot of Spider-Man toys, because I guess Spider-Man is his Ninja Turtles, which is, they're not toys, they're pop action figures, but they're toys. And I saw that and immediately thought, I need one for all the Ninja Turtles that I've acquired over the last 34 years. And so I hired Amanda and she put her amazing talents to work. And now I have my very own. So yeah, I just want to make that quick video, say thank you to Amanda, and to let you guys know that she is amazing. She doesn't just do weird things like this for people. She also does really amazing work, and you should check out her site and her Instagram and hire her to do something for your house. All right, see you guys.